Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by charging the TX16s and downloading the correct firmware image to your computer. Connect the transmitter via USB-C while holding the boot/menu button so it mounts as storage. This forces DFU or mass storage mode. Once connected, make sure the PC recognizes the device and that you have the right firmware variant for your hardware. You do this now to avoid corrupting settings later. It's faster and safer than swapping files while powered normally. Next, back up the SD card and export your model EEPROM to preserve settings. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. If using Companion, open the firmware file and select your board, then flash via USB following prompts. If flashing by file copy, place the bin in the SD root and use the radio's boot menu to select and write it. Make sure you do not remove power or disconnect USB during the write, because that can brick the unit. After the write completes, let the radio reboot and verify firmware version in the system menu. Once done, restore your EEPROM if you exported it, and then test gimbals, switches, and the RF module by turning on outputs or binding a receiver. If something fails, make sure to retry with a reliable USB-C cable, try DFU mode reflash, and check backups. If the radio won't boot, use Companion or a different computer to reflash. That usually resolves corrupted flashes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.